Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Learning at Home. I hope you are doing good. Today we will read the story The Union is Strength. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please do subscribe and like this video and share as much as you can. Once upon a time, there was an old man who lived in a village with his sons. The sons were hardworking, but they constantly quarreled among themselves. This lack of unity saddened their father, who worried about their future. One day, the old man called his sons to his bedside. He held out a bundle of sticks tied together and asked each son to try to break the bundle. One by one, they tried, but no one could break the tightly bound sticks. Then the father untied the bundle and handed each son a single stick, instructing them to break it. This time, they easily broke their individual sticks. The father explained, just like these sticks, if you stay together, no one can break you. But if you are divided, you will be weak and easily defeated. Unity is strength. From that day on, the brothers understood the value of unity and worked together, supporting each other through all of life's challenges. They realized that by standing together, they could overcome any obstacle. Moral: unity is strength.